Which way?
Straight.
Straight, Papoose boy.
That's what we did. We kept going to the left.
Oh.
Okay.
Dude, it's gotta be terrifying. It's gotta be terrifying. Which way? We're going left here or what? Stay left?
Hold on, let me just get to where you are without dying. Okay. Let's go that way.
That's what I figured.
Huh?
So that's what I figured. It's gotta be terrifying, some of these sharp corners with that thing.
Dude! Dude, I put my, because I can't stop pedaling, and I hit a rock. And the whole back end goes...
Yeah, that's the thing I was thinking with that, because like you can't stop pedaling, so if there's a rock or something, you can't adjust for it. You just gotta hit it. Alright, whatever.
Going my left.
Going left. Going left.
And when I locked the rear brake...
You still have to pedal.